Free, free Palestine!
Free Mahmoud Khalil!
Free Mahmoud Khalil!
Free, free, free Al-Ghazali!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
Free, free, free Palestine!
SIPA and Colombia are working against the incredible efforts their students are making to envision a world where Palestinians can enjoy their full human, civil, and national rights. SIPA alumni are not proud. We are enraged. And we will continue to rage at this institution until Mahmoud Khalil is free.
In renouncing my degree and tearing up my diploma, I say I will never stop talking about Palestine.
I renounce my degree, and I hope that this small act will inspire others to reject Colombia and all the other institutions complicit in the genocide in Gaza.
I come here to say we see your complicity and cowardice, SIPA and Columbia University, and we say anyway, free Mahmoud, free Palestine.
Free Mahmoud, free Palestine!
Colombia is colluding with the current government's project to destroy higher education and to criminalize protest. Colombia is undermining the very purpose of a university. I will not support Columbia SIPA. I stand with Mahmoud and all the courageous students and faculty in protest and solidarity. Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!